Good morning, guys. This is day one of our event, and I'm gonna do makeup. Get ready with me. Oh my god. Kahit ano pang makeup yan, may eye bags. Getting ready for day one. Hi guys, na-experience na namin yung commute ito na sa jeep sa Manila. Yay, we're going now guys. Just figuring out where to enter. Yeah, this is our first time having this kind of setup. So, may pa-red carpet pa po. Yan. And this is our table. It's just that may pagitan. We cannot chika and Bluetooth our jokes because of this one. So, this is our idea. So, my name isn't included. Buti na lang, nakadala ako ng ano. Yay! Thank you. So, this is the progress of our table so far.
Kawaii. Kawaii. Watashi no rabbit.
Alas 4 na, wag mihali, pamalit na mo. Guys, help, natatay ako. It's day 2 today. I'm sleepy. And we have food. Parang kain. Tapos tulog. Tapos kain ulit. Ay, vulvul. We're now at the venue and we're almost getting ready with our change outfit. May nakapicture na ako ganyan. Gwapo siya, cute. Yun lang.
Wala nyo yung gata ng cellphone doon. Tanaw, wala dito sa kanang-ikal.
Gwapo ka video guys. Sige lang, next time. Pumunta na siya. What character you cosplay? Ako na, just a maid. Yeah, yari ko gi-fist bump. Pakita na ko sa inyo guys. Kung makita ba ako. Yan. By the way, this is our a full look ng aking ano. Over naman. Char lang.
Gomenasai, watashi no koda wa watashi no transfer photo this koda.
Charot. Okay, the event here so far, mas madami ng tao compare yesterday. Okay, let's go out naman para maiba. So, how was today po? Meow! I want to interview other cosplayers. Hello, we are currently here in Pinayataka Expo, and so who will be our first yawa? Punog yun siya sa tumangan. So, yeah. May ganun naka-green na witch, oh.
Oh, yeah.
What character you was playing?
Nancy from Delta.
Oh, is this your first time?
Yeah, kind of.
Really? Okay, how long have you been cosplaying?
just now. Yeah.
Wow, I really like your costume. Did you like handmade it?
No.
Tingnan niyo ko, super cute! Super cute!
Waiting for me after class and coming with me after that, making up behind the school. Yeah,
introduce yourself. Oh, the character you cosplay. Kyoshi. Azula. Warlord Zuko. Yeah, these are the characters from Avatar Last Airbender. Did you guys make your costumes? You? Yeah. Wow. Warlord Zuko. I really like all your cosplays. So, ayan lang. Okay, about kanina, so sobrang hiya at I really have anxiety. I forgot the follow-up questions and I just ended up complimenting them and took a photo after. Putang ina. I changed my outfit. I'm so tired. I don't know if you guys can hear me because sabang kayo. Isang kauma namin nagdula ng Scrabble. Guys, it's so cold here in our table and I didn't bring jacket but I only have a scarf. Wala lang. Share ko lang. Kitty cat. Okay guys, this is the last day of the event and we're getting ready na. I'm just waiting for our dinner, our breakfast. Hi guys, we're now at the venue and this is my look. What you guys think of my look? Does it look? It's look. Yeah. My table mate is Crystal. You know. Hi, this is Channeling Boom Boom Merlot and this is the last day of the event and it's nice that it's a bit crowded today than the previous days, so we're very happy. And then there's so many con goers, cosplayers. And I don't know what's the event today, but I hope there's an event. Thank you so much. You gave me a Goya. Yeah, thank you so much po. That's what you get for being pretty. Can you tell me the character you're cosplaying?
Dilog. KFC Dilog.
KFC Dilog. Is this real?
Play.
It's really. So you made it?
Yeah, made it.
Oh wow! The egg?
Handmade play. Kitchens.
This one.
One.
Okay. Ah! Yeah, sure. Yeah. Tapos, pagkanay? Yeah, I got a Costco. Guys, you follow Zane Regal on social media, Instagram. Inspire you to do this look.
I play kasi ni Bakalap. But I want to cosplay Dilog.
I really like it. Bagay na bagay. Yeah, thank you so much. Hey, can we take a picture? Guys, inaantok ako. Inaantok kami. Come here. What can you say? Uzi pa, what can you say?
I'm tired.
We're all tired and sleepy. Let's eat! Yun o. Si Krista kaya niya mag-share. Yan guys o. What's your name? Ellie? 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 My nickname. Oh, really? How long have you attending? Because I've been attending since last year. Oh, siya din. Kasama mo? Kaya, and this is my friend ko. My friend. Finally done. Ayan, actually hindi pa. Pero magliligpit na kami mamaya after this one. At saka yung kabilang table namin. Ayan, nagliligpit na sila. So, ayan. Ayun lang. So, this is the current update of our booth. Ayan na, nagliligpit na po. Ayan na po. Ayan, very quiet na po ang mga people here. It's 12 na di and we're heading out because we're hungry. I'm gonna buy midnight snacks. We're going to 7-Eleven, guys. So we just bought our snacks. We're now heading back, guys. Hi guys, we're now in Runway Manila. Now we're embarking. Papauwi na kami.